If you have ever deleted a file only to realise that it was something really important that you still need, and now you might have to start all that work again from scratch or make a desperate call to IT, then OneDrive will help. Whenever you delete anything which was originally saved to OneDrive, it goes to the recycle bin where it will stay for 93 days before it completely goes forever. Let's have a look. There are two ways that you can access OneDrive. You can access through your desktop files or through OneDrive Online, which can be accessed by clicking the icon on your toolbar towards the right-hand side and then selecting View Online from the pop-up. This will then display your OneDrive in a web browser. Within OneDrive Online, I can easily delete documents by simply hovering over the document or file for deletion and then selecting the circle that will appear to the left of the name. I can then select Delete from across the top. A pop-up window opens to check you want to delete the item, and you can just select Delete. The document or file will now have gone from your OneDrive files, but if you realise that you shouldn't have deleted it and panic might be starting to set in, don't worry, because you can get that folder back by simply selecting the recycle bin from the left-hand menu. You should then be able to see your document in the recycle bin. If you can't see it, try refreshing the web page, and if you still can't see it, you can always click into the second stage recycling bin. You can then select Restore from across the top, which will retrieve the item and put it back into your OneDrive files, or if you want to empty the recycle bin, then click on Delete from across the top. If you're working on OneDrive from your desktop rather than OneDrive Online, you can delete documents here by selecting them and then right-clicking to bring up the menu and selecting Delete. If you delete a document or file and then realise you actually still need it, you need to go into OneDrive Online by clicking the icon on your desktop toolbar and then selecting View Online. One thing to note with deleting documents and files from OneDrive on your desktop is that it will give you a warning if you try to delete anything which is online only. So for example here, the folder OneDrive has the status icon of the cloud, meaning the folder is only available in the cloud and I need to be connected to the internet in order to access it. If I right-click on this folder to bring up the menu and then select Delete, it will then display a pop-up window letting you know that it will permanently remove it from the PC and won't go to the recycle bin. So it's reassuring that it will check before you make any permanent deletions. When you've deleted documents or files from OneDrive on your desktop, you need to be in OneDrive Online to be able to recover them. And when you're there, go to the recycle bin on the left-hand side and your document will be in there. You can select this and then choose the Restore option from across the top ribbon. If you can't see your document in the recycle bin, refresh the web page and it should be displayed. If you're working offline and you delete any documents or files, the next time that you're connected to the internet, OneDrive will sync up with your device and it will move those documents and files into the recycle bin. So whether you're working with OneDrive Online or if you're working with OneDrive offline and you're working with it on your device, if you delete anything, you'll be able to restore it from the recycle bin, which you can access from OneDrive Online.